Okay, so this is going to be a video on spark plug replacement for a Kia Forte GT with the 1.6 turbocharged engine. So items that you will need, of course you'll need your 3/8, your 1/4-inch ratchet, a 6/6 extension, and for me I prefer to use a little bit longer, just an 8-inch extension, and then a 1/4-inch extension and a 10 mil, and a 5/8 for the actual spark plug itself. And this is the one that has that little insert, so it kind of holds onto the plug so it doesn't fall. And of course, an adapter for whatever torque wrench you're using. This is a 1/2-inch torque wrench, so 1/2-inch to 3/8. You're gonna need some feeler gauges and these, so you can double check the gap. A little precision flathead just to help get the clips off the spark plug coils, rather than using your nail, especially if you don't have nails right now. So, yep. And then a little needle nose just to remove the PCV hose that's right over the number 3 ignition coil. And yeah, and of course your spark plugs. So for completely stock or non-tuned or non-JB4 or whatever those piggyback systems, you're gonna want to get these plugs. There's the OEM part number right there, which cross-references to the NGK. So it'd be these ones. And then spark plug torque is about 18 to 22. I usually do middle of the road, so I'll do 20 foot-pounds. And then mileage, I'm at 29,321 miles. Now, if we reference the owner's manual, you'll see. Yeah, so according to the normal maintenance schedule, you're supposed to replace them every 42,000 miles. But I go by the severe maintenance. So if we flip over to the next page, here we go. So it just says replace more frequently. And then it's referencing the ABF little, for severe. So if you meet pretty much any one of these, you have to go by severe driving, which if you see my oil change video, yeah, I do go by that because I do meet quite a few of these. So more frequently, what does that mean? From 42,000, do you cut it in half? Or what does that mean? Well, I guess it's based on your discretion. So for me, I'm just gonna do it at pretty much 30,000 miles, so. Okay, so before we install the plugs, I just wanna check the gap of what they're pre-gapped to. So according to the internet, the forums and all that, and Reddit, the specified gap is from 28 to 31, so I guess anywhere in that range. So let's go ahead and start at 31. So I have a 21 and a 10. So let's see if this will fit. And no, okay.
Let's try to go down by, let's see. Come on.
Okay. So 30,000. Okay. This one goes. Let's check all of them. Okay. So it seems like they've all been gapped to 30 thousandths, which is on the slightly bigger end. So this should be acceptable to put in. So if you're doing this to your vehicle, in fact, you don't really need these. They do come pre-gapped. So it's just nice to check and verify. But that should be fine. Okay. All right, so 30 thousandths pre-gap. Cool. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get to the car and start installing. We're removing the old ones first, and then, yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're at the car now. So first thing you want to do is remove your cover. And just a quick note, this piece right here, this plastic, I swear it's okay, not razor sharp, but if you're going like this, oh man, that's a knuckle buster. So what I recommend is kind of going like this. Kind of use your thumbs, pull on it first, slowly. There you go. And then just pull. Yeah, because you just go like this. Oh man, yeah, or so. Yeah, quick tip. Okay, cover is off. So we're gonna go ahead and undo this PCV hose. So let's get this. Squeeze the clamp. This piece is getting stuck on it. Okay. Anyway, so now that's out the way. Okay. So now we're gonna get ignition coils. Gets a little tight right here because you got your high pressure fuel pump connector, so just be careful. Okay, now we'll get the flathead precision screwdriver and just unclip these clips. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, we want to get this high pressure fuel pump connector off so we can get the clearance. This one's a little more tricky. Come on. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, that one's, you gotta kind of use the flathead screwdriver and pull the sides of it back. But once it moves that far, and then push, and it comes right off. So now you got clearance. Okay. So now I'll go and pop off the connectors. And 4. Okay, so all the coil pack connectors are removed. So now I'll go and remove one by one. Okay, coil number 1, nice and clean. The rubber is still nice and flexible. Always check for that too.
That's 1, 2. Alright, 3. And 4.
Okay, cool. Okay, so now let's do the spark plug removal. So we're gonna get 5/8 extension, 3/8 ratchet.
Start with number 1.
So let's see, what is all this? It's just... Huh. Well, good thing we're changing them at 30K. Got the little corona ring developing, so. All right, that's number 1. All right, cylinder number 2. Not bad. 3.
And cylinder number 4.
Okay.
Alright, so
This is in the order from left to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so far, nice even look on the porcelain. Just that light tan. Yeah. All right. Okay, so before we put the new ones in, we're just gonna do a quick inspection. Make sure there's no FOD in there. Okay. Ooh, that one has some stuff at the bottom. Okay, we have to clean that out. Okay, let me get my little vacuum. Okay, so this is my little modification to my vacuum. Got a straw with clear taper on it. And yeah, it's not my first time doing this, by the way. Yeah, I've done this before, previous vehicles, but yeah, just want to get that crap at the bottom. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's see the results. Oh, nice. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay, so now let's go ahead and proceed with the new spark plug installation. Okay. And also to help removal, you don't want to put it all the way in, because if so, when you go to tighten it and you go to remove it, and then this will be stuck on the spark plug in. So don't push it all the way, just enough to have it hold. And that's it. And of course, NGK, you know, you don't need anti-seize because they have a special coating, so you just put them in dry. All right, now we just ran them on by hand. Let's break out the torque wrench now. And we want 20 foot-pounds. Let's see. Make sure. Okay, yeah, that should be 10 and 20. Okay. And here it is. Okay. So we'll go ahead and go back to number 1. Now these have the gasket, so you're gonna be twisting and torquing a little bit. It's gonna be a consistent torque, because basically you're compressing that little, it's like a seal or like a aluminum crush washer. And then once you get to that point where it feels like it's resistant, and then from that point, you do your torque. So Go ahead and demonstrate. So right now it's even torque. It's not like getting tighter and tighter yet because we're compressing the gasket. Still compressing. Okay, now we're beginning to get some more resistance, so go ahead and continue. There it is. Oh man, see what I mean? The socket got stuck on the plug. Hate that. Ah. That's the thing about these spark plug holder sockets. Sometimes they hold on too good. Okay, so as you can see, the spark plug kept getting stuck, and that actually happened for every freaking plug. So this is a video right after I shot that video. So actually, yeah, go ahead and remove that little rubber holder thing. It'll make life way easier. Instead of what I was doing, I was just removing it again, and oh, I should have just did this. But yeah, so don't need to buy another socket. Just get flathead or something small enough to kind of push it. You just kind of push it little by little. Do this side and get this out. Then you won't have any issues with getting stuck. So, okay. So now that's out the way. Yeah, so I've already put the coils back on. And this is 10mm bolts, just snug them. You don't need to kill it, but let me just show you. So here, and then just a little bit. Just 1/4 inch, all you need. So, okay. And I already put the clips back in, so yeah, basically, yeah, keep this out, of course. And then plug it, and then push. And then same thing for these, so. And then this one. Okay. And then your PCV hose, get that back on. Clamp. Okay. Oh, put this back too. Okay, and everything's plugged in. Always do a final check, and yeah, that's it. Sure, you should be ready to rock and roll. Your new spark plugs. So put this cover back on, and that's it. So yeah, if this video was helpful, just leave a like, comment on any tips or tricks, and yeah, thanks for watching.